your journey. Find a joy. Tama? Di ba pag magbibiyahe ka, masaya? Punta ng Israel, lahat excited. Tama ba, mga kapatid? Pero may I borrow you, Ate? So, she had joy, right? And you have energy. And you have Jesus to go on for your journey. You have endurance. Ang laban ng Kristiyano, endurance, hindi strength. Amen? Hindi pabilisan, kundi patibayan, mga kapatid. Another thing, sometimes in our journey we feel tired, almost giving up. But you have God with you. The Jesus you receive is rich in grace and mercy. You have His sustaining grace. Halika dito, anak. You have the sustaining grace of Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Nagkamali ka, may grasya ang Panginoon. Don't condemn yourself. Sanctified na. Justified na. Amen? Don't belittle yourself on this journey. Siyang nagtiwala sa iyo para don't belittle yourself that I don't have this. I don't have a suitcase. I don't have money. I don't have pamasahe. You have Jesus.
Amen.
You have Jesus. Another thing, come here. In every journey, sabi ko nga doon, focus on. Don't give up. Bakit? You have the unbeatable God.
Amen.
Jesus is unbeatable. You're walking in victory already. He's unbeatable, right? Death has been defeated. Kaya sa journey mo, walang takpan niyo siya. Lastly, without Jesus in our life, we cannot have His Spirit.
Amen.
So, here, in your journey, it's no longer your journey. It's already the journey of Jesus in your life. That's why the goal of Jesus and the goal of His church is for us to be transformed and be like Jesus. So that yung kapatid mo, yung pamilya mo, ma-reach out. Tama po ba?
Amen.
You see, can you still see Sister Angie? No longer. What you see is Jesus. Amen? So, the journey of Jesus Christ here on earth, in your life, and in my life. Amen? I'm so blessed. Sabi ko nga, Dan, yung praise and worship natin kanina, you're waiting, you're excited for the coming back of Jesus. If Jesus will come back, will He find faith here on earth? Ika nga niya. Tama po ba? Will He find faith here on earth? Will He find us faithful? And with us, are we going to receive, well done, and my faithful servant? Jesus. Mga kapatid, si Jesus lang sapat na.
Amen.
Si Jesus lang sapat na. Kaya mula ngayon, huwag tayong lumakad ng buhay natin na tayo ang nabubuhay. Mabuhay ang Panginoong Jesus sa pagkakas.